Hello, 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 hello. Hello and welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, my name is Trish, and you're tuned into Cold Case After Dark. So, Cold Case After Dark is based on an actual, um, it's based on an actual case, well, based on actual crimes that have not been fully resolved and are not subject of current criminal investigations, but for which new information can come emerge from new witnesses, testimonies, reexamined archives, new or retained materials or evidence, or refresh activities of a suspect that may lead to reopen or resolve cases. And so tonight, what we're going to do is talk in reference to some cold cases that has been forgotten about, and hopefully we can soon get them reopened. So tonight I'm going to be speaking in reference to Sweat, and that is Philip Brian Sweat. And Philip Brian Sweat is a a white male, sorry, who allegedly was stabbed on Monday, June the 27th, 2005. So that is Philip Brian Sweat. And he was allegedly stabbed on June the 27th, 2005. That was on a Monday at 2:33 p.m. So during that time, it was a 911 call received from the victim. So the victim made a 911 call, and he advised the operator that he had been stabbed before going unconscious. He told the dispatcher who his attacker was, that his attacker was a black male wearing a long sleeve black shirt. Okay. So did we get that much? So Sweat was stabbed on Monday, 6/27/05 at 2:33 p.m. So that was June the 27th, 2005 at 2:33 p.m. So he called 911 and spoke with the dispatcher before going unconscious, and he told the dispatcher that he was stabbed and that he was stabbed by a black male wearing a long sleeve blue shirt. Okay. So he was stabbed in his front yard at 4024 Southwest 38th Street. and that's near Orchard Road and I-75. This is in Gainesville, Florida. So that's 4024 Southwest 38th Street near Orchard Road and I-75 in Gainesville, Florida. So his house was at the end of a secluded cul-de-sac, but back up in several cheap hotels near the Motel 6 and the Ramada, like near those hotels. Okay. So Sweat drove a, back then, it was a new, back then is he drove a new red Toyota Spider convertible. And I wish I could have put up a picture of it. Let me see if I can do that. Mm. I have a picture up of it in the screen down below at the end. Okay, so they said that, okay, so he was driving, he drove a new red Toyota Spider convertible, which was still parked in the driveway. So basically the motive wasn't, I'm guessing, allegedly it wasn't robbery because they didn't steal his car. So what we trying to find out was who was the black male in the blue shirt. And this was in broad daylight, guys. So somebody should have seen something. No witnesses came forward. Allegedly, no witnesses came forward. Sorry. Nobody came forward um, or seen anything. Um, he wasn't able to, you know, tell the dispatch anything further, nothing more than just to give them the description of whom his attacker was before he went unconscious. So, my question is, did he know who the attacker was? If you know something, say something. I mean, this was 2005. Like, if you know something, say something. Because, I mean, a man lost his life over what? What was the motive? A man lost his life and his family don't have any closure. We don't have any answers to why Mr. Sweat lost his life that day or anything. What made this man go to his home and stab him? Like, why? What was the reason? Who was this man? Did anybody see anything? If so, say something. We need answers. The family need answers. Philip Brian Sweat needs justice. Nobody deserves to die this way. What if it was your family? What if it was your brother? What if it was your son laying in the yard, dead? You don't have no answers. Yet it is still years later, and you still don't have answers to who killed your son, or who killed your father, or who killed your brother. If you saw something, say something. We have a lot of cold cases out here, guys. And people are so scared to talk. The dead can't speak, but the living can. And if you know something, say something. It's time to speak up. It's time to say something because, I mean, wouldn't you want justice for your loved ones? Wouldn't you want to know who killed your father, your son, your loved one? Wouldn't you want to find out? Speak up. I know someone saw something. It was 2:33 in the afternoon. Someone heard a scream, someone heard a struggle, someone seen this man run away. Someone saw something. Let's bring justice to the Sweat family. Let's bring justice to Brian. He deserved that. Let's close these cold cases. Like, let's get these cases resolved. There's too many out here, guys. These cases may be cold, but they will not be untold. I guarantee you. We need answers. And we're going to get them. All right, let's speak out, guys. Y'all hit like and subscribe. We'll be coming back with more cases. Hopefully, we can get justice for these cases. Hopefully, we can get justice for Mr. Phillip, Brian Sweat. Hopefully, we can get justice for Mr. Michael Brooks and our other cold cases. There's plenty more out there, guys. Let's not let one of your family members be one. Y'all have a blessed night. Over and out. Cold Case Mysteries After Dark. My name is Trish. Have a great night.